Forget about mining for hours and getting lost in caves. Today I will teach you how to make the easiest and most efficient farm in all Minecraft Bedrock to get unlimited iron, so do not miss a single detail of this video, and let's start. Let's start by going to a place far away from any village. We make a square on the ground 7 by 7, 7 blocks by 7 blocks, and clean them all the way around the perimeter. We also clean 7 blocks down until we clean this whole area. We will have a little square like this. We put beds like this. We put 7 beds like this, 7 beds on the other side like this, and here on this side we are going to put 3 and 3 beds on the other side. Okay, we would have something like this. We just put a torch in the middle to illuminate and not spawn mobs. Now we're going to put work tables. They can be arrow mapping or blacksmith tables. I'm putting these arrow tables, 5 on each side, just leaving some space on the edges. And now the most difficult step is to bring 20 villagers here. We have to bring 20 adult villagers that don't have the green suit that some villagers have, because those villagers can't take any trade and they won't serve us in our farm. So remember to bring 20 adult villagers. So remember to bring 20 adult villagers that don't have the green suit. Here, as you can see, I had already spawned a golem here in my farm, so I won't have to eliminate it, because without that golem I leave it alive and it won't spawn anymore. And well, here, this little block in the middle, if it goes there, this poster if it goes there, sorry. This fence door, we have to put it from the wood of the nether, because otherwise it will burn here. We put the lava, and now let's go to the opposite corners, where we will place a small block, and above we will place water. This way, as you can see, the water does not flow properly, because I put 2 more signs that are these and the ones below, this and this, all the other signs. If they go in the fence door, remember nether wood, so it does not burn. And well, now our golems that are outside must be eliminated to continue spawning more golems inside our farm. We have to make a perimeter so that the golems no longer spawn outside. Here we will simply place crystals or slabs. In the end, I liked the slabs better because the crystals looked kind of ugly. So I ended up putting slabs all around. I made approximately a perimeter of 8 blocks to the sides so that no longer spawn the golems out. And well, if it worked, this method. So as you can see, as these golems were already here inside. Now we will review, and well, we have our farm fully functioning. And well, if they continue spawning golems outside, continue putting more slabs until no longer spawn golems. And well, in this way would work this farm. I hope you liked this tutorial. The truth is that it is a fairly simple farm. And well, do not forget to leave your like.